Take a ride in the 2026 5500. Ram 5500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, engine block heater, speed control, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, dual rear wheels, traction control, electronic stability control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of